Hi everyone, just wanted to let you all know that the Australian Hair Scalp Clinic will have representatives at the AACMA annual conference in Perth in a couple of months in May between the 20th and 22nd, and we will be presenting a seminar there called Chinese Herbal Solutions for Hair Loss. This wonderful hair regrowth system that's been developed by our head trichologist, Ms. Angela Sun. She'll be coming and presenting the information about this assessment and new treatment protocol. Just to give you a bit of information about Angela, she is a hair and scalp specialist, a trichologist, as I've just mentioned. She's a member of the IAT, has over 5 years of clinical experience with various types of hair loss. And as I've briefly mentioned, she's the developer of the AusHair clinical assessment and herbal treatment protocol. So that's a system that she's been working on over the last couple of years in her clinical practice. And she's got it down now to a really good system that's very effective and very efficient. And look, she's treated hundreds of people over the last few years successfully. So definitely worth coming along to have a listen to her present. So, why are we talking about, Chinese herbal hair loss treatments? Well, currently on the market, the market is dominated by pharmaceutical products for hair loss, and a lot of people are unaware that there are some serious potential side effects with these pharmaceuticals, and as I mentioned, a lot of people are not aware of this. So we want to make sure people do understand this. And another very important point is that these pharmaceuticals for hair regrowth, they're just not that effective. So Angela will go through and discuss all of this when she's comes across to Perth. And this is what we're so passionate about here at the Australian Hair and Scalp Clinic. We've got a viable alternative to the pharmaceutical hair loss treatments here with our assessment and treatment program. With 99% success rate, the fastest hair regrowth results here in Australia, and a program that is absolutely safe to use long term, with no major side effects being reported in the last 20 years or more since we've actually been using this product here in Australia. Keep in mind that hair regrowth treatments are a long-term thing. They're not just treatment for a couple of days or a couple of weeks. People need to be on these treatment programs for months, some even years, at least, for a maintenance, you'll need to be on them for many years. So you want to make sure that you are using products that are 100% safe to use and certainly don't cause any other medical or health issues. These are some of the details here that Angela will be going through during her seminar. She'll start by discussing some of the major causes of hair loss. Then she will move on to presenting the AusHair herbal hair regrowth treatment and do some comparisons with the current pharmaceutical treatments on the market. She will then outline which stages of hair loss are most suitable for this type of herbal treatment, which is very important for for people coming along to this seminar, to understand, at what stage of hair loss can this treatment actually help. So it's very important to understand that before learning too much about the actual treatment itself. And finally, Angela will review some real case studies of successful patients that she has actually treated. Just going through those dates again, she will be there with some other representatives from the AusHair and Scalp Clinic between May 20th and May 22nd. We will confirm the times very soon up on our website. And we will be at the conference. The ACMA conference is at the Mercure Hotel at 10 Irwin Street in Perth. And if you're interested, please feel free to register your details below this video, and we will make contact with you and give some final details there of the times that we will be presenting. That's all I wanted to say today. We hope to see you there in Perth, and enjoy the rest of your day.